Dear learners, I am Rushikesh Gaikwad, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Brahmadev Dada Mani Polytechnic, Solapur. Today we will learn Unit 1st Internal Combustion Engine from the course PER, that is Power Engineering and Refrigeration. Today we will discuss Introduction to IC engine, classification, application, construction, working and comparison of 4-stroke and 2-stroke engine. Let us start with introduction to IC engine. IC engine is a type of heat engine. Heat engine is nothing but heat is converted into useful mechanical work, that is input into output. There are two types of heat engine. First is internal combustion engine and second is external combustion engine. Internal combustion engine means the combustion takes place inside the cylinder. Now we will move towards classification. In the IC engine classify into number of types. First, it classify into according to cycle of operation. 2-stroke cycle engine and second is 4-stroke cycle engine. Next, according to type of fuel used, gas engine, petrol engine, diesel engine. Next, according to speed, low speed engine, high speed engine, medium speed engine. Next, according to method of ignition, spark ignition engine, compression ignition engine. According to number of cylinder, single cylinder engine, multi-cylinder engine. Now construction working of 4-stroke engine and 2-stroke engine. Here is the figure 4-stroke engine. 4-stroke means there are 4-stroke: suction, compression, expansion and exhaust. Now here we can see here it is an inlet valve. It is exhaust valve. It is TDC, that is top dead center. It is BDC, bottom dead center. It is cylinder, piston and it crank. Now start with first stroke, suction stroke. In the suction stroke, consider that piston is at top dead center. When piston move from top dead center to the bottom dead center, inlet valve opens. Therefore, mixture of oil, mixture of fuel and air enters into the cylinder. Now, second stroke, compression stroke. In the compression stroke, piston move from bottom dead center to the top dead center. In this stroke, both valves are remain closed. The third stroke is expansion. At the end of compression stroke, the spark is ignited, generated or produced in the after the completion of compression stroke. Therefore, due to the force, piston move from top dead center to the bottom dead center. In this stroke, both valves are remain closed. Now last stroke is exhaust stroke. In the exhaust stroke, piston move from bottom dead center to the top dead center. In this stroke, exhaust valve remains open and the burnt gases are exhausted to the atmosphere. In the 4-stroke engine, the cycle is completed in 2 revolutions of crankshaft. That is, the cycle is completed in 2 revolutions of crankshaft, means power stroke is completed in 2 revolutions. Next is 2-stroke petrol engine. It consists of TDC, top dead center, BDC, bottom dead center. Here is spark plug, it is exhaust port, it is inlet port and it is transfer port. It is transfer port, it is crankcase and crank. We start with two stroke, first stroke and two stroke. During the first stroke, piston move from BDC to the TDC. That means bottom dead center to the top dead center. At that time, exhaust port and transfer ports are uncovered when piston move from bottom dead center to the top dead center. At that time, inlet ports it uncovers. That means mixture of air and fuel enters into the crankcase. When the first stroke is completed, in the second stroke, the spark is produced. Therefore, the piston will move from top dead center to the bottom dead center. At that time, exhaust ports uncovered and transfer ports uncovered, and the inlet port covered. Therefore, the mixture or charge present in this port, it is transferred to the transfer ports, and the burnt gases present in the cylinders are exhausted to the atmosphere. This is two-stroke petrol engine. In the two-stroke petrol engine, power stroke is completed in one revolution of crankshaft. That is, the cycle is obtained in one revolution of crankshaft. Now the next, comparison between two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. In the two-stroke engine, cycle is completed in one revolution of crankshaft. In the four-stroke engine, cycle is completed in two revolution of crankshaft. That is, power stroke is obtained in the two-stroke in one revolution of crankshaft, and the power stroke is obtained in the four-stroke in two revolution of crankshaft. Next, in the two-stroke engine, these are the lighter in weights. The four-stroke engine are heavier in weights. Therefore, two-stroke engine has low cost as compared to four-stroke engine has higher cost. The efficiency is low of two-stroke engine and the efficiency is high for four-stroke engine. Applications of two-stroke and four-stroke. Two-stroke engine application, it is used in scooters or motor vehicles, and four-stroke engine, it is used in bus, tractor, etc. Here, this is introduction to IC engine. Thank you.